And what is all this white over here?
This white was the snow.
Snow! Snowfall has happened over here.
Welcome to Aiden's world.
Hey Aiden, what you up to?
I'm doing my house.
What your house?
I'm building stuff.
What is this?
This is where they get some water. So all those in the row in the water leaks in the down and it's a hole. Then when the water enters, so then it goes from here and goes. So then we need a hole. Then the water comes from the hole. Over there, then the water enters.
Okay, but what is this thing? What is this thing that you have created? Some architecture you have done?
Yeah, this is my house, and here can you see that purple line? That is the sofa. This is one bed and the entrance.
That's the entrance. What are these bottles?
What is that? So for the water, put some water.
This is the water system.
And this is one balcony.
Balcony.
Yes, and if you want to come down, you go in balcony, go and walking in this road. And then this light all the way till down, no? And then they have a picture and
Okay. And what is this thing over here?
this is where they get the water.
Water? Is it something like a well or something?
Right.
Why is that well so dirty? Is it dirty water?
No, I poured some clean water, so all of these colors are going to make it
Okay.
color.
And what is this?
This is one
Welcome to my
pen.
channel,
Yes.
Aiden's World.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Let me take it close. Welcome to my channel, Aiden's World. You wrote this?
Yeah.
Very lovely. What is this?
This is my name.
Again Aiden. Oh, this is Aiden's building.
Yes.
This is like Aiden Tower.
Yes. And then they get lots of water from
Okay.
here. So from these three lines, the water attached to the under, then the other one comes to here, then all the water fills up, comes to here and enters. Then no water goes from here and goes again out and comes and goes everywhere and goes towards the house. And it's a very hole.
Is it?
Yeah.
I love this what you have made. These blocks.
And this is a 4 building oak because Mama keeping drinking, three houses. So this is one more house with 4.
What is this over here?
This is one train.
It's a train?
Yes.
Oh, the train tracks these are?
Yes.
Oh, I see. And what is all this white over here?
This white was the snow.
Snow! Snowfall has happened over here.
Yes, and I put letters what you can see all purple.
Oh, nice. And what is this? A cafe over here? Table and chair?
Yeah, where they eat food.
Okay. And what is this inside?
This is one pool.
Is that a man dead inside?
No, he's swimming.
He's swimming. Okay. And what about this? Is this some kind of a mountain?
Yes, white mountain.
Snow mountain?
Yes.
And what is this glass container over here?
This is one tent.
It's a tent.
Yes, and look, something new.
What is over here? Hey, have you made like a stocking, Christmas stocking?
Yeah, what you can see this white, that is the list, and over here there's no list, only one.
Oh, only one place there's put a list.
Yes.
For Santa he has put a list.
Yeah, then when Santa comes, he walks and takes the letter and he enters to the house and puts it right there.
Okay, that's nice. How much time you took to build this?
20 hours.
20 hours. Do you know how much 20 hours is?
Lots
And lots of time you took.
Yes. And every day, 160 days, I was coming and building.
160 days you were coming and building.
Yes. I was having half, then I came to the half, then I came to the half, then I came to the half, then I reached till the top, then I finished, then I finished till here, I finished till here, finished till here, I finished till here, finished back and then I finished till here again. And full side 100 I did that many days.
Okay. Okay. And what's so special about this architecture of yours? Anything special? Anything different than some other
And it's
architecture?
one more thing.
What?
One car area. Parking.
Oh, you've not met you. Oh yes, I can see there is one car over here. There is a car area.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I like. What are these cups over here upside down?
This is some horse
Horse.
area. And can you see?
Is it a stable?
No, that is where he sleeps.
Yeah. So where horses are kept is called a stable. Is it a stable?
Yeah.
Okay. Nice. I like this water system of yours. This rope is basically like a pipe, right?
Yeah, this is on the pipe to enter to the house.
Okay. Which floor is your house?
My floor is
Oh,
yeah.
okay. You're over there.
Yeah.
Alright. And where Mama Dada house?
Mama is here and you are here and Maxman is here.
Oh,
and
that's
Amka
nice.
is over here.
Nice. So everybody gets a place to stay.
Yeah.
Okay, so cool. And what else? Anything else special about your house?
Yes.
What?
Beyond me. So the water enters here.
Oh, okay.
Then fill up the full area, full table and the shades and the water all enters to the one room and it goes here and there.
Alright. You have anything else to say about your house? Yes? What else?
Over here.
What's over here?
Can you see that bottle? They my mistake. They dropped the bottle.
Oh yeah.
Now they will come. And they forgot to drop. Now they will come from the water and they will take the bottle and take it to us.
Okay.
What do you think?
What do you think?
Good.
Is it nice?
Yeah.
Are you enjoying your construction, architecture work?
I have to celebrate.
Sellotape and all? Have you shown this to your school teacher?
Yes.
To your friends and all? Have you shown it to them?
Yes, but it's
What did your teacher tell you?
very nice. But this bottle stinks and this broken nose, teacher didn't see. So she's seen only the house. Now I
Okay.
came to all this. Now she will see this.
You'll show her this tomorrow?
No.
Nice. Alright. Hey. Okay. Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you in the next.
Video, of course.
Bye-bye.
Bye.